What we'll do here is we'll in the second module we will try to cover validity and reliability of the scales. Okay, so we will try to understand what exactly is validity and reliability and what is the importance of that in research. Okay, we'll try to understand that. Now, validity is we'll try to understand what is the definition. Validity is the extent to which a test measures what it is supposed to measure. Okay, what it means is that in the first semester you had a research project, right? So for this research project you may have developed a particular questionnaire. Now this questionnaire consists of n number of questions. Now validity is nothing but uh, it is very much important that those questions meet whatever the responses are obtained for those questions, correct? That should be meeting the objective. It should be helpful in meeting the objectives of the research, correct? So that is the reason validity is very much important. We try to test whether the contents included in the questionnaire, whether they are valid or not, whether they will be helpful in meeting the objective of the research or not. So it is very much important to test the validity of the of the scale, correct? Scale in the sense here the questionnaire. All right, so we have different types of validity. First one is external validity. I will try to increase the font so that it is readable. Okay, now what it says, the first type of the validity is external validity. External validity occurs when there is a causal relationship discovered, and that can be generalized to other people, time and context. Okay, now what external validity means is that whatever let us assume that you have done a research project on Samsung mobile. Okay, so for this you may have considered 100 students, correct? And finally you may have done some conclusion saying that these 100 students purchased a Samsung mobile just because of the price of the product. It was very much attractive. The price of the product attracted customers or these 100 students to purchase Samsung mobile. Okay, so this conclusion you may have drawn. Now external validity is nothing but you are trying to generalize this conclusion to the whole universe. Okay, you are trying to generalize it to the whole universe, and there is certain mechanism to validate this particular result. There is a certain mechanism to test whether the conclusion can be generalized to the whole universe or not, correct?